Hey budget shoppers, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount on HelloFresh. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Alright, let's talk about HelloFresh. If you're anything like me, you want gourmet meals without the gourmet prices. So what does HelloFresh actually cost? Is it worth it? And how does it stack up against your budget? Let's break it down. First things first, HelloFresh offers several plans to fit your lifestyle. You've got the meat and veggies, veggie, family-friendly, and even the fit and wholesome plan. So, no matter if you're a carnivore, a veggie lover, or someone just trying to eat a bit healthier, there's something for you. Now for the pricing. For 2 people with 3 meals per week, you're looking at around $60 to $70 per week. That breaks down to roughly $10 per serving. For a family of 4 with 3 meals per week, it's about $120 to $140 per week, which comes out to around $8 to $9 per serving. I know what you're thinking. Isn't that more expensive than just hitting up the grocery store? Well, let's think about the hidden costs. Time spent planning meals, grocery shopping, and let's not forget those impulse buys. It all adds up. Plus, with HelloFresh, you get pre-portioned ingredients, which means 0 food waste. And if you're terrible at portion control like I am, this is a game changer. Now for the honest review part. The meals are delicious. Seriously, I've tried everything from the juicy garlic butter steak to the creamy, dreamy pasta. The recipes are easy to follow, even for those of us who aren't exactly master chefs. And the best part? No more stressing about what's for dinner, it's all planned out for you. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Sometimes, the produce isn't as fresh as you'd hope. And if you're super picky about what you eat, you might find the menu a bit limiting. But for the most part, it's a solid service that saves you time and stress. So, is HelloFresh worth it? If you value convenience, variety, and tasty meals, then yes, it's definitely worth trying, especially with the discount link in the description below. Did I mention there's a discount link in the description below? Because there is. Alright folks, that's my 2 cents on HelloFresh. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more budget-friendly tips and reviews. And don't forget to click the link below for that sweet discount. Thanks for watching and happy eating!